Welcome back to Kixie in a Minute. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and pin the Kixie Chrome extension. All that you need to use Kixie is Google Chrome and a stable internet connection, and you can use Kixie anywhere you are. Now, let's open Chrome on your computer and let's get started. First things first, let's go ahead and download your Kixie Chrome extension. By now, you should have received an email from your dedicated account rep with a link to the Kixie dashboard. Make sure to open that link using Google Chrome and make sure that your Chrome is up to date. You can check this easily by looking on the top right-hand corner and making sure there are no Chrome updates left. Once you've established that, you can go to the bottom left-hand corner of your Kixie dashboard and go down to Install PowerCall Dialer. When we click on the icon here, it'll open up a new page where you can go ahead and add to Chrome. Here we're going to add the extension. It's going to automatically download the extension to your Chrome, and we're going to click on the little outline of a puzzle piece on the top right and pin the Kixie dialer here so you can easily access it by just double clicking on it and populating the dialer. Now, all that's left to do is sign in with your email and your password, and you're ready to start dialing today. That's it for now. Need help? Your reps got you covered. Or reach out to our live chat support. Thanks.